In this video, we're going to show you how to find brand voice in just 4 steps. This is Copy Hacks. This video is brought to you by Master of Brand Voice, available now at copyschool.co. Let's get to it. Number 1, get 3 to 5 pieces of copy written by your client. And we don't mean something your client had written by a copywriter, we mean written by them. This can even include something like a podcast, as it's less edited and sounds even more authentic. Number 2, measure it using the following tools: Analyze My Writing, the Hemingway App, and Tone Analyzer. Analyze My Writing can help you understand your word and sentence length, as well as how you punctuate. The Hemingway app will tell you the grade level of your copy, so you can determine how simple or complicated to make your writing. Tone Analyzer can show you which sentences use which tones, and you can use this tool to understand the context in which tone is used throughout their writing. Number 3, analyze the copy for style, language, content, and context. This can give you an idea of how they use things like color, italics, underlining, emojis, cursing, and punctuation. Number 4, create your own cheat sheet. This can be as simple as a Google Doc with keywords, phrases, pop culture references, and guidelines that you can reference as you're writing. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more from Copy Hackers, please like, subscribe, and ding the notifications bell. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on our channel, and we'll see you again for another edition of Copy Hacks.